I'm just getting indifference here. Like, I ain't looking at that. I ain't gonna look at it. I know you did a good job, Dad. I'm not looking. This is always the thing that holds everything up, is painting of the boards. You know, we want them painted, right? But it's kind of a, you know, painful deal. Each surface needs to be painted, and it just takes time. So you get them all cut, you're all set to go and excited, and boom, time for paint, you know. That'll take a couple days to paint them all, is what you think to yourself. So, I don't know, I try to get as much cut as I can, and then I do my painting. So, these are just gonna hold those shelves in. And these big wide pieces are the actual shelves that I'm using. And so I'm kind of cheating right now because I don't want to wait. Don't you hate when there's voids in your plywood? It's like, damn, this doesn't care. It doesn't matter. This is just a shelf riser. It's like a big deal, right? Okay, so all you purist van guys, comment below about how big a deal that is. Should be fun to see those all respond. It's like these guys that do the 80-20. You don't need 80-20 for your van. Here's my little trick, okay? Get your tray painted all the way out to the edge. Maybe everybody probably knows this already, but and then this is literally a Bernard's bag. And then stick it in that paint that you just had. If it doesn't stick, put something down to make it stick. Tuck it in. It'll stay good for a while like that. You know, it's probably be 2 hours, come on back out, hit it again, 2 more hours, hit it again. That's life. So the shelves on the inside of the closet and the microwave shelf, there's our microwave, by the way. The microwave shelf is going to be white, because who the hell cares? Check this out though. I did get the back piece in. It's painted on the back side black and the front side white, so that's like the back of the closet. And I managed to get my hot and cold water tubes out, which was, I thought, going to be quite an ordeal. Not bad. So I should just literally be able to run them right over here to the faucet, which will be like right here. And then my electrical, which in other videos you saw sticking out over there, I was going to have it on this sidewall here. But I decided to pull it back and run it down here to this box for the microwave. And then this sidewall here will have another box that I'll just run from here to the other box. It'll be sitting here. So that's how I'm going to plug in my computer when I'm sitting in the chair there. I can plug my computer in. I'll have some sort of a fold down shelf right here. So I can spin this chair around and, you know, have my computer plugged in and use that. And then maybe that shelf will fold down against the wall. I'll have another thing that flips up, and it'll be a bench seat for a passenger. So it won't be those. Those are just here because we needed them. Here's my toe kick right here. So there again, this piece has got to have a finish on it. So that one's waiting till I get all these face frame pieces cut, and then I'll do the finish all at once on those. So, coming along. I just feel like maybe there isn't enough on the ceiling here. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but it's hard to put it on the ceiling because okay, that's gonna just have to be good enough. How the hell did that get off? Can you grab me a paper towel, please? Hurry. This is what I want you to help me. See, I had to put these screws here, otherwise it was it. Well, it's been a hell of a day. I'm tired. Maybe I shouldn't have done this when I was tired, but I cut the porthole in the plastic. I measured that 2-3 times, and it should have been right on, but it's not. So that's all right. We'll cut the wood out. I never dreamed in a million years it would be off by that much, but we'll make it work. You know, we'll just make it work. That's all. So this is all I can figure out for holding in the plastic. I used PL200. You saw me doing that, and I mean, that plastic's going nowhere. That FRP, it's like, you know, it's going to be bonded when this is done. So there you go. Whew, that was a lot. That was kind of scary. Lighter. Jeez. We're through, you can look. We're through the insulation, we're through the here like this.
No, honey, that's not a heavy enough blade to stay put.
So here's the portal that we're putting in the bathroom. I took it off the hinge there. And we're going to go ahead, because, you know, it's see-through, right? We're going to go ahead and put some of this Rabbitgoo on there. And basically, this is a opaque film. And so, how do you get this on here perfect, right? A lot of people would just be like, okay, we'll just start by, you know, gluing it on. We'll try to X-Acto knife it off. I'm afraid that's plastic. I'm afraid that's going to be a problem. So what I do is put this paper on here and get it kind of started here all the way around. Keep holding it in single position in the middle, and then just, now I'm using my fingernail to get that paper stretched into the edge. So you've got a nice pattern now, all right? See that? So we can now, so this is the size of the portal. So we can now just cut this out here. Now this is the shower side. So I actually need to put that on the inside of there. So this is my plan, right? I open the Rabbitgoo up here. Take my pattern and mark it. I'm just going to go ahead and... So the trick is you can't let this thing move, right? So, I don't care how thick the line is, it's the line where it touches the paper that I'll cut to. I found that a lot of times using the tip of the scissors to cut works a little nicer for me. Just more control. And I can see where the scissors is going, because the tip of the scissors is down right on the material here, pretty close to the material. Okay, I'm going to put just 1 drop of soap in there. You don't want too much soap. So, gotta get the window clean. First off, this is a lint-free towel. It's like a flour sack towel, I think they call it, right? Make sure you get all the lint off, because you don't want that underneath the tint. Okay, so now get that nice and wet. Hopefully I can get an edge and get this to peel here. Right. We need somebody with fingernails, I guess. This stuff does not come apart easily. But you want it nice and wet here. So put it on there. You getting a close up of this? And this is just an auto body squeegee that I'm using here. Just had it around. I was kind of looking for a better squeegee, but so that's it. There you go. Opaque. So we're golden, man. done.